Hi there, welcome back. In this lesson, we will explore SSDEL function and see how it works in AutoCAD. SSDEL is used to delete or remove an entity from the selection set. The syntax for SSDEL is SSDEL, the entity name, and the selection set. Alright, so let's start to create our selection set. Let's select 5 objects. So if we check our SS, we have 5 objects. Now let's say I would like to remove the text from the selection set. So let me grab the entity name for the text using the car of end cell. Select the text here. So we have here the entity name. So let's apply the SSDEL function. Set QSS SSDEL, the entity name which is E1 from the selection set. So if we list out our selection set now, we should have 4 values. The text is no longer included, so we just have the circle, 2 lines, and 1 polyline. So let's say we remove another object. Let's say one of these lines here at the bottom. Let's say set Q E2, car of end cell. This is the object. So let's apply another SSDEL. E2 from selection set. If we list out our selection set now, we have 3. So just 1 line, polyline, and the circle. This line is no longer selected. So we can also do the same thing as the SS add, like SS directly apply the entity name, the car of end cell, from the selection set here. Remove the selected object from the selection set. Let's say remove the polyline. So if we list out now the selection set, we just have the line and the circle. So that's just about it. Using the SSDEL function, it's very straightforward. When you have a selection set and you can just remove any objects from it by using the entity name, and that's it. It reduces the amount of objects from the selection set every time you issue an SSDEL command. So in the next video, we're going to learn the SSMemb function. I'll see you in the next video.